So this is the current state of the theatre. Put the TV down. But yeah, basically we're taking the theatre apart for a refresh. The main issue that we're trying to solve in here is that sound isolation. Basically, I can't watch a movie without disturbing everybody else in the house. So we're gonna take the walls down, all the walls down, put some isolation clips, hat channel, 25mm MDF, 16mm acoustic, gyprock, and then yeah, we'll be back here. We're gonna take off the slatted wall. I think it's a bit dated now, and then we'll just have a plain black wall with the TV, speakers hidden behind. Then we'll have a cool design on the sides where you have up lights and down lights, and like a cloth material in the middle to hide the speakers and all the other stuff, sound isolation, and everything else. Same as at the back, so it'll be pretty much like a strip, like a racing line across the middle, and also the top, hiding all the speakers and acoustic treatments at the top too. So yeah, I've never done this. It's an exciting time. I'll keep giving you updates. This is the first big mistake. So as you saw, I took this acoustic stuff off from this wall, but this wall needed to have 2 layers of gyprock on it in order for this to function as a double wall system. But even then, the bigger problem is right here. When the builder built the room, they attached the 2 walls together. So that mechanical attachment means that there's no decoupling, which means this wall and all this space is effectively useless, and it doesn't help in my sound isolation. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna go back to this wall, to the original wall. We're gonna put obviously the sound isolation clip, and then the rondo, and then MDF, and then gyprock or plasterboard, and then everything else will come after that. Okay, the next step. So the panels are down, all the speakers are out. Oh, sorry, it's too fast. So all the speakers are out. Next up, we need to take this out, take the paneling out. We need to take all the insulation out, then break the walls down, take the gyprock off. All right, let's keep going. Okay, progress is being made. Only the ceiling is left. Need to pull the lights out and the aircon grill and get a taller ladder so I can do that. So probably tomorrow's job. Okay, progress has been made. If you can see where the carpet ends, that's where the other wall was. So the wall has been removed from the front and the back. Now remaining is the ceiling. Not sure how to take off the grill. I have to take a look at that, and then drop the lights down and drop that down. All the timber has been moved out, and then move this out. Progress. Okay, progress has been made. What a job. The ceiling is down. The wall is off. Time for all the gyprock to get out of here and to clean up. Okay, end of day 2. Basically, we've cleaned out all the mess. It's in the garage, ready to be taken to the tip. So tomorrow, we need to take the carpet out, and then we're going to put the same floorboard as that to run across into here. So once that's done, I think that'll be, and the only other job is I have to make sure all these wires are up, so that when I do the flooring, I don't have to be worried about that. But yeah, progress has been made.
I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again. Add it up.